Human respiration monitoring is a fast and non-invasive method to identify volatile organic compounds such as acetone, which can be markers of different diseases. A new article, the journal Materials Science in Semiconductor Processing, presents an exhaustive analysis of recent advances in semiconductor metal oxide gas detectors to identify the expelled acetone, which could help replace the invasive monitoring of blood sugar. Study: detection of acetone of breath by gas sensors based on nanostructures of semiconductor metal oxide. A review. Image via breathing evaluation for the diagnosis of diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus, a disease characterized by levels of glucose in uncontrolled blood, can induce organ in individuals. Blood teams are now being used in scientific research to examine and monitor blood glucose concentrations and ketones. A blood sample is deposited from a tip of the fingertips in a reactive strip in this approach, which is subsequently inserted into an electromagnetic instrument to be evaluated. However, this treatment is uncomfortable, intrusive, and can be dangerous if it is not used correctly. An evaluation of breathing is an innovative and evolving procedure that capitalizes the advances of contemporary measurement technology. It is a non-invasive method to evaluate expelled breath elements to help diagnose diseases, therapeutic evaluation, and metabolic monitoring. Why is it important to measure acetone in breathing? As the body of a diabetic patient produces fat energy instead of glucose, additional ketones are created, particularly acetone. During breathing, acetone is expelled. Acetone concentrations in breathing vary from 0.3 to 0.9 parts per million in healthy people to more than 1.8 parts per million in people with diabetes. Therefore, acetone can function as an indicator in the blood for pathological conditions. In addition, it has been established that there is a link between blood glucose levels and VOC concentrations, such as acetone. As a result, acetone breath measurement can give greater diagnostic supervision over the status of a diabetic person than to measure sugar levels alone. Traditional exhalation evaluation strategies focus solely on spectrometric methodologies. However, with the improvement of gas sensors, they have become less attractive from a medical point of view. Detection materials for breathing acetone detection. Nanomaterials have been used, such as nanoparticles, nanogels, and thin movies to detect VOC. However, all these tests